Hi, you guys. It's early in the morning. I don't know what time it's at. Hold on. It's 11:02 in the morning. This is my slime. It's cold because my uncle put it in the refrigerator. But I didn't tell him till I fell asleep, and he just put it in the refrigerator.
I don't know what my slime is, so
It's in the refrigerator. It's cold. My dog is in there. My dog probably cold. Let me find her. Here she is. Hold on. Now you see her? Hold on, I gotta take the slime off her. Hold on. Hold on, you guys. I gotta take the slime off her. Dang, you want mine's like yours, Amaya? Oh, bubbly. Is it cold? Yours is colder than mine. Mine's just a little bit cold. So, yeah. A little bit. I'll look at the camera. It was so long to cause I. You know what I mean? Y'all, I can't get the slime off her head. I'm gonna try to. Now you see her? Couldn't get the slime all the way off of her. She leaked, y'all. Alright. This is her. Stop licking the camera, girl. It was in my slime. That right there is slime. See, look, y'all, hold on. I got a big thing of slime. Hold on. Courtney. I get my face in it too. See, all of it out. This is all my slime. I'm selling it for $2 or $3, $1 or $2. If you get, if you get this much, this is $1. If you get this much, it's $2. If you get like the whole thing, it's like $10. Okay, now we're gonna play with this slime.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta catch it. Motherfucker.
I'm recording.
Okay, my hands are cold now, see? Yes, I'm recording.
It's not really cut. But I want to play with yours first.
No,
Why?
because I play with mine first, and you gotta play with yours first. But I don't want you to play with mine.
Why?
Because
You play with mine?
you said so.
Well, then. Well, you said, now let me play with yours.
Then you should have took it from me. If you didn't want me to have it. You play with it.